like me?
You don't like
You
me?
then
You don't like me?
Yeah, I like
you don't you.
You're also pure. You're also pretty, beautiful.
Ina, thank you.
Thank you. You're my favorite, my niece. My niece is Island.
My niece is Waput.
What's that?
Ina, she's minor.
She is minor. I'm 18, 17.
17.
I'm 17 years old.
I'm
17 years old. I'm 33 years old. Paano sa nimong
I'm
pag-umangkon?
50 years old.
Atay yung Facebook ni Aileen.
Ina, do you like me?
What are you doing?
Watch TV.
What are you doing? You look at your my.
Watching TV.
What time is there right
Ina, me, I'm catering my mother.
Where?
What time?
What time is
There.
there is not right now?
Almost 11 a.m.
Look, where are you from?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Denmark.
What?
Denmark.
Denmark.
Denmark. Denmark.
Denmark.
In a nice country. Nice country.
Nice country. Country so beautiful.
Yes.
Ina, are you married?
I'm a married.
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you married? Are you married?
No daw. I'm your married. Ina, why?
Why? Why? Because-
I'm not married. That's all.
Now, do you have kids?
You answer?
Do you?
have kids?
Do you have?
Mm,
Do you have kids? Kids?
Do you have kids?
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay.
No.
Ina, why? You're so handsome. Ina.
Where's my handsome?
Why?
Why are you handsome?
Ina, my English is not good. Ina, my English is not good.
My English is not good.
Little.
See a little English
Because
because
this is not my language.
it's not my language.
This is not my language.
This is my
This is
not is my language. Small,
Small like
very small. My English. Hi, hello. What is
It's
your
okay.
What is your name? How old are you?
Sobra naman ka.
Ika na ang sitaw kaya nag-work.
Ay,
Do you have work?
Yan siya.
Are you working?
Ang sige, aw.
Ow. Are you working?
are you working?
Are you working? Are you working in my house? New house?
No.
No.
No?
Atay, you
Ano sa Indonesia nga, nasa sa balay ba?
Are you at home?
Are you at home?
Are you at
Where are you at home? Sige nga, sige.
Are you at home?
Where?
Are you at home?
Are you at
Mana, yes na.
Mana. Okay, sorry. Because my ears are very old. You asking joking.
Asking joking.
Asking joking. So very guapo.
Very good.
You're so handsome.
Sige.
Handsome.
Thank you. Mana, ay na.
Ano yung lagi yan, Dai? Kita mo sa inyo with Ryan, na?
Ina, do you like me? Ina.
Do you like me?
Oh, Ina.
Do you like me?
Oh, you don't like me to, Ina?
No.
Or
Do
I
you
niece?
like me?
Or my niece?
Do you like me?
Or no.
Or my niece?
Or
No, my niece.
Or my niece.
On my niece?
Or my...
Or my niece?
Or shoulder. Shoulder on my head.
You like your phone?
Ano? Sorry.
I love you all the
What? What? Kanang ibabalik mo siya na.
I like your phone.
I like you both. But you're nada sa inyo ba?
Ina,
Kaya
thank
sa
you.
English pag
Ina, thank you. Thank you. Ina.
Thank you. Di ba, papilihan ako ba sa iya?
So who do you like most? Who do you like most? Who do you like most?
Oh.
Who do you like most?
Who do you like most?
No.
No?
No most?
I don't know what it is.
I don't know you.
I don't know. It's first time I see you both. I think.
See the truth that's in our...
Limo.
Ina, what?
Wala sila niyang duha.
What? What?
Ipagkapin.